We're now going to create plan and profile sheets using the plan and profile production tools. And the first step is to set up your drawing template. And we're going to do that right now. So I'm going to go back into Civil 3D here, and let's create a new drawing. And we're going to actually reference some of the sample drawing templates that come with the software. And this is the default template path. In this path, there's a folder called Plan Production, and you're going to see Civil 3D Metric and Civil 3D Imperial Plan Production template files, DWT files. Now, I think your company or your client drawing templates should have the layout definitions in them with the title blocks. This is just a separate set of templates. So let's open Civil 3D Metric Plan and Profile. It's a metric data set we have here. And you're going to see a number of layout definitions. Here we have Plan and Profile 1 to 1000, Plan and Profile 1 to 500, Plan and Profile 1 to 5000, for the A0 sheet sizes, and then for the A1 sheet sizes we have the same layout tabs, so different sheet sizes. And the key to setting up the drawing template for the plan profile sheets is the categorization of the viewports. And this is a function that's only going to be available in Civil 3D, and you essentially do it through your through AutoCAD properties. So here, if I pick that viewport, right click, and if we look at AutoCAD properties for that viewport, you're going to see the viewport categorization here has been assigned to plan. That option will not be available for just vanilla AutoCAD. Similarly, if we look at the viewport here and right click and select AutoCAD properties from the menu, this viewport type is a profile viewport. So that's going to be the first and most important thing to configure, is whether or not the viewport is a plan, or sorry, it is to assign the viewport as either a plan or a profile viewport. The second thing that we want to be aware of is the drawing scale, or sorry, the viewport scale. So we're looking at, let's look at the Plan and Profile 1 to 500 viewport. If I pick this viewport and select Properties, you can see that the annotation scale, sorry, the standard scale is indeed 1 to 500. The values are grayed out here because the viewport is locked. And let's see here. Yeah, the display lock is set to yes. That's why these values are grayed. So when you're setting up your drawing template, you need to assign not only the viewport type, whether it's plan, profile, or section, but you also need to specify the scale of the viewport. And that's going to dictate the size of the view frames, and hence how much information is going to be displayed in each of the plan and profile viewports. So that concludes the discussion on your configuration of the drawing template.